If you want to buy women handbags from direct factory, welcome to our company. Any customer who comes through EasyLine.com will be welcomed with business discount. Our company and we started selling goods in 2002. Our factory covers an area of 2,000 square meters and has more than 300 skilled technical personnel, 150 times mechanical equipment, OEM and ODM for large and small brands. We know the pain that small businesses experience and provide them with high-quality suppliers. We have new products for you to choose from every month and support customized logo, pattern, etc. All our items are made of the highest quality PU, made in China from local materials and local craftsmen who create amazing quality and beautiful masterpieces. Order leather or leather covers in different colors and sizes. All are custom made to the dimensions required by customers. While some are hardcover, others are soft. In addition, different colors are also available. Tan, dark blue, yellow, and green are just a few examples to choose from. The sleek design features metallic elements. Not only does the real authentic PU leather look good, it is also strong and durable. It also looks expensive. You don't have to pay that price to get gorgeous covers. There are also various options available to meet your needs. All of these bags are well made, with strong and smooth stitching, and we hope you will love EasyLine.com. Depending on the quantity required, the package will be delivered within 1 to 2 weeks.